Good morning. So it is currently just gone 11 a.m. We are all up and dressed and we've decided to go out for the day. It's rainy and miserable, but we've managed to find a nice indoor place that we haven't been to before, so we're going to go and see what it's like. It is an indoor adventure quality golf. It looks awesome on the website. I can't think what it's called now. You remember what it's called?
Treetop.
I think it's called something like Treetop Adventure Golf or something. It's in Leicester, so we're just heading over there now. The kids are all excited, aren't you? Woo! It's a nice activity that we can all get involved in now the children are a bit bigger, rather than just going to a soft play and me and Lee just sitting and watching. It's nice to do activities that we can all do together.
What did you do? We need some of these in our life. How cute are they? Love the teapot.
Oh no! I like that teapot. I love this place so much.
Look, can we leave a 5-star review?
Alfie, is that nice?
Yeah!
What have you got?
Picture and pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni. What you got, Millie?
Wait, Mummy, can you see that?
Yeah, the garlic bread should be coming in a minute.
Guess so.
I've got cheese and tomato. Ted has got cheese and tomato, and Daddy has got
Pepperoni.
remember?
We've just finished at the Crazy Golf and we had an amazing time. It was so much fun. I really recommend going there. Had some lunch there and we've got to do both of the courses. We are now just going into the shopping centre. Children want to have a look at the Disney store, and Alfie's also going to get his birthday bear because it's his birthday month.
And do you smell him? Smells like birthday cake, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Oh.
Just on our way back from Leicester. It's a bit rainy at the minute. It's been miserable all day actually. We had a brilliant time at the Crazy Golf there. We spent a good few hours there and then had some lunch there. I think we were there about 3 or 4 hours in the end. And then the children wanted to go to the Disney shop. They have pocket money, so we went to the Disney shop and then the Build-A-Bear because it's Alfie's birthday in how many sleeps, Alfie? 9 sleeps. And the Build-A-Bear have an offer on that the month of the children's birthday they get a birthday bear for however old they are, but it only really works up until they're 13 because the bears actually are only 14
Sorry
pounds
guys,
each.
I was drinking.
That's okay.
My birthday.
So we've just been there today as it's the 1st of October and Alfie's picked his birthday bear, stuffed it, and he's super happy with that. And he got to ring the bell as well, didn't you, Alfie?
That's not my birthday bear.
No. Do you want to hold yours up, Alfie?
Yeah, right. Minnie, can you please put it on?
Hang on 1 second, baby, I'll show yours in a minute.
Okay. He's in his sack at the minute.
Just lift him up in his sack, that's fine.
I'll take him out because he's got some. I wasn't sure which one I wanted. If I wanted two, and I got really sad.
So this is Alfie's Build-A-Bear birthday bear, isn't it, Alfie? He's got a little balloon.
And he's got a little balloon.
And what have you called him?
Birthday bear Bobby, I think I've called
Bobby, that's what's on the birth certificate, I think.
Look at his feet, they're like birthday decorated.
So Alfie's super happy that he's been to get his birthday bear, and we'll go back in November for Ted and in December for Millie. But Ted and Millie both spent some of their pocket money in the Build-A-Bear. They weren't sure whether to get something from Disney shop or Build-A-Bear. They both decided in the end. It was a tough decision for Ted, he couldn't decide, but they've both got Build-A-Bears from Build-A-Bear shop.
You know the I have underwear on mine and boxes, that's why it's called boxer bear.
Do you want to hold him up? He's a football bear, isn't he? He's got football ears and feet, and you've got little boxer
Can we
pants
take him out?
Yeah.
Take him out. I'm going to take him out and show you guys. I'm taking him outside because you should ask.
And you all got little bags to carry them in, didn't you? Let's have a look at him. So you put boxers on him, didn't you? Show me his feet, Ted.
He's a boxer.
He's got football feet, hasn't he?
And can you take the tags off?
I will, 1 minute, baby. And then Millie, what did you get, Millie? Show me yours.
Give names bubble.
Turn around the other way.
Her name's Her name's Bubble.
And she's not just any bear, what is she?
A
mermaid bear. And
And they all start with B.
That's right, you've called her Bubbles, haven't you?
Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Birthday bear and boxer.
Birthday bear
All
Bobby.
start with B.
Bubbles, birthday bear Bobby, and boxer bear. So they're super happy with that. It's just gone 5 o'clock now, so we get home and do the children some tea and get them sorted and settled for bed. I actually put out work this morning for the children to do. They obviously haven't done any of that as we've been out all day, but they'll just do that again tomorrow instead, so it saves me having to sort out anything this evening.
No, Mummy. No. And guys,
I'll just press stop before Millie had finished speaking. What were you saying, Millie?
Mummy was wrong because she said that we were going to have dinner. We had dinner for lunch. No, we're going to have sandwich.
We did.
We had pizza.
Had pizza at lunchtime.
Guys, it wasn't pizza what I was in tomorrow. It was a really crispy thin stuff with sauce on it. And the garlic bread was really crispy.
And guys,
I don't know what it's called. Crisps.
It was a different sort of base, wasn't it? That's right.
I don't know. Garlic bread sauce on it.
And guys, I wasn't sure if I wanted a mummy or this because it was Halloween. I wasn't sure, but we're probably going to get him soon because it's Halloween and mine's 4 days before Halloween, 3, whatever.
Exactly.
And the boxes did come with it. We had to buy the boxes.
They're super cute, aren't they?
The unicorn t-shirt didn't come up with it.
No, you
Don't
bought-
worry, guys. The mermaid tail did.
You bought clothes of them separately, didn't you?
The mermaid tail came with it.
The mermaid tail hasn't got legs, has it? Yours hasn't. It's just the mermaid tail. And Lee is loving life right now because he loves shopping. And he especially loves the Build-A-Bear workshop, don't you, Lee?
Oh, really?
It's sucked the life out of me, it really has.
So Lee's desperate for a cup of tea, I think, when we get in. It is currently about 7:15 in the evening. We've been back about an hour, give the children their lunch. Lee's just having a hoover through downstairs before he starts on some more editing of the next vlog. Ted's had a bath, Millie's just in the bath, and then it's Alfie's turn and Millie's story time, and then the boys have got about an hour or so quiet time before it's time for them to go to bed as well. So I am going to end the video here. We will see you guys again tomorrow. We're going to be doing the work that I'd put out yesterday that we didn't get around to doing tomorrow, and I'm going to try and do that display wall, the autumn one, to match the space, to go next to the space one. So we've got 2 new matching ones. We'll see you all tomorrow. I hope you've enjoyed watching our day today at the Crazy Golf and the Build-A-Bear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and the notification button, and we will see you all again in the morning. Good night.